Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today we are going to be trying and testing out the magnetic eyelash system by Lash Liner, and this is in the design Los Angeles. Now before we go on testing these magnetic eyelashes, I wanted to briefly touch upon how the other magnetic eyelashes that are available on the market today, how they are different and what really sets this one apart from the others. Now, why these magnetic eyelashes that are available in the market today are not very practical for everyday use especially is because what you're doing basically is you're sandwiching your own eyelashes and clamping the magnetic eyelashes together with your own eyelashes in between. So what's happening is that you have 3 layers of eyelashes, and that gives you basically a very clumpy look. It doesn't give you a very natural look. And since I have discovered this magnetic lash liner system, I'm absolutely loving it. I have been raving about it, and I just had to make a video on this to show you guys that this is the lash liner system that is absolutely innovative and it looks really natural. However, there are a few tips and tricks that you need to adhere to in order to get the maximal effect of the lash liner system. I would recommend that you go to the website, read their FAQ section before you try out these lashes, because those are the tips and tricks that will help you to get the complete look that the lash liner system is helping you to achieve. So without much ado, let's try out the Lash Liner magnetic eyelash system. Alright guys, so this is the box that it comes in, and it also comes with the magnetic eyeliner. Now what really sets this system apart is this magnetic eyeliner and the application technique. So we're going to apply this eyeliner as we would your normal eyeliner, but I would give you an added tip when you apply this eyeliner, and that tip is that when you do apply it, make sure that it is slightly thicker so that these magnetic eyelashes have more room to sit on and they don't come off that easily and they last that much longer. So let's get started. So I'm going to apply the eyeliner, and make sure you start right in the beginning. Now I'm sorry if I am not looking directly into the camera because I have to be looking into the mirror to apply this because I don't want to mess it up. So as you can see, I have applied the eyeliner a little more thick as opposed to as I would normally. Because I want the eyelashes to stay put, and I'm speaking from personal experience because I have used this on and off for the past month, and the trick lies in applying the eyeliner correctly. Now the first coat of eyeliner you apply, and then you wait for a full 30 seconds before we apply the second coat. Alright guys, the first 30 seconds is done and we are going to be applying our second coat. Now this step is very important. You have to be applying the second coat, otherwise your magnetic lashes are not going to sit properly. Alright guys, as you can see, we are done with the second coat. And now we need to wait a 1 full minute, full 60 seconds before we go on to apply the eyelashes. Now this is another very important step. Why? Because you have to make sure that the eyeliner is not wet. It can be a little tacky, but not really wet before you apply the eyelashes. Otherwise the eyelashes are gonna fall off, they're not gonna sit, they're not gonna sit properly. So you have to make sure that you have the patience to wait for the 1 full minute in order to get the beautiful effect. Alright guys, so after having waited for a 1 full minute, we are ready to apply the eyelashes. I wanted to mention this, that there are a total of 6 mini magnets on the eyelash liner, and we have to start with the inside of the eye. So we need to start pressing from the inside of the eye. The magnet has to press into the liner from the inside of the eye and then work your way outwards. Make sure you don't have very long nails. Right guys, you see that? Holy moly. I'm absolutely blown away by these eyelashes. They are so stunning. I mean, I'm absolutely in love with them. And I had to tell you this, guys. These lashes are cruelty-free, vegan-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, but most importantly, they are latex-free. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the traditional false eyelashes, primarily because there is a risk of losing my own eyelashes, especially when you have to go on with the latex glue and there is that possibility of having an allergic reaction. I just don't feel that those lashes are worth the risk. So when I came across the magnetic eyelashes, I just thought, oh my god, this is such an innovative formula. But I was a little wary. I just thought it's another gimmicky product. But once I tried it on, and once I started using the tips and tricks as they had mentioned on the website, and as you're watching in this video, those are the tips and tricks that if you adhere to, you will get the absolute amazing application. It's going to be absolutely effortless. So yes, so this is the effect. As you can see, the difference. I've never been into the whole false eyelashes look, primarily because I was a little wary of the latex thing and losing my own eyelashes. So if you're one of those that would love to wear false eyelashes without any risks involved, I think this would be a perfect fit. Now make sure you watch right till the end, because I'm going to show you what is the correct way of removing these eyelashes. But before that, I'm going to complete the application on the other eye so that you can see the complete look. Right, I'll be back. Alright guys, so we are done with the final look. And as you can see, these lashes are absolutely the bomb. Now I want to quickly tell you how you have to remove these eyelashes. So basically it's very easy. You just pull them out, and then if you have any kind of bi-phase eye makeup remover, you can easily remove your magnetic eyeliner with that. That being said, this company also carries their own eye makeup remover. I think it goes on by the name Eraser, if I'm not wrong, but just have a look at their website. So all the details will be there in the description box below. Just click on the links and it'll take you to the website where you can read up more on this product. Now I have to say this very clearly, I am not being paid to review this product. This is something that I found and I just absolutely had to share with you, because I think this is a very innovative formula. The first of its kind, magnetic lashes that finally work. Alright guys, quickly I wanted to show you how you can just remove these eyelashes. You just remove them like that. They come off very easily without harming your own eyelashes. It is that simple. And then you just go on and remove your eyeliner with any bi-phase eye makeup remover. Alright guys, I hope that was a fun video. Let me know in the comments below if there are any magnetic eyelashes that you are loving currently, or if you have already tried the Lash Liner system. I would love to hear your feedback as well. And guys, stay tuned for my next video, because that is another amazing product that I have discovered recently and I'm absolutely blown away with that product. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you are notified as soon as I upload a video. And for you to be able to do that, you need to hit on that little bell icon there. Just click on that and the feed will come directly into your inbox. Alright guys, sending you lots of love, lots of positive energy. Stay safe, be well, and I will see you very soon in my next video coming up next week. Stay tuned. Bye.